In this video, we will explore the integration of Claude AI with LangChain using Python, equipping you with the skills to enhance your AI applications with powerful language processing capabilities.
Welcome to our channel. Did you know that integrating AI models can revolutionize your applications? Today, we're diving into how Claude AI, a leader in natural language processing, can be seamlessly integrated with LangChain in Python. This integration is a game changer for developers looking to build sophisticated, AI-driven applications with robust language model interactions. Stay tuned to unlock the potential of Claude and LangChain together. Claude AI is a cutting-edge tool in the world of natural language processing, offering enhanced capabilities for understanding and generating human-like text. It excels in tasks like text summarization, translation, sentiment analysis, and more. As a developer, leveraging Claude AI means you can build applications that not only understand language nuances but also adapt to user interactions dynamically. Think of it as having a highly skilled language expert at your disposal, ready to tackle complex linguistic challenges. Whether you're developing chatbots, virtual assistants, or content generation tools, Claude AI can elevate your project to new heights.
LangChain is a powerful framework designed for building applications with language models. It seamlessly integrates various components necessary for natural language processing, allowing developers to focus on creating impactful applications rather than dealing with back-end complexities. LangChain supports a wide range of language models and provides tools for data preprocessing, model training, and evaluation. Its flexibility and scalability make it an ideal choice for developers looking to integrate AI models like Claude into their systems. By the end of this section, you'll understand why LangChain stands out as a must-have tool in the AI developer's toolkit. Before diving into the integration, it's crucial to set up your Python environment correctly. Start by ensuring you have Python installed on your system. Python 3.8 or newer is recommended for compatibility. Next, create a virtual environment using venv or virtualenv. Virtual environments are essential for managing dependencies and avoiding conflicts between different projects. Once your environment is ready, activate it and keep it isolated for this integration project. This setup ensures a smooth development process and prevents any unexpected issues.
With your Python environment ready, it's time to install the necessary libraries for integrating Claude with LangChain. Start by using pip to install libraries such as Claude SDK, LangChain, and requests. These libraries provide the core functionality needed for our integration. Ensure all libraries are compatible with your Python version to avoid runtime errors. Occasionally, you might face dependency issues. Use pip's upgrade flag to resolve these. Keeping your libraries updated ensures you benefit from the latest features and security patches.
Connecting Claude API with LangChain is a critical step in our integration journey. First, obtain your API key from the Claude platform, which is necessary for authenticating your requests. Next, use the Claude SDK to establish a connection by initializing the API client with your key. Once connected, you can start sending language processing requests from LangChain to Claude. Be mindful of API limits and handle errors gracefully with try-except blocks. Understanding the API's request and response format is crucial for ensuring smooth communication between Claude and LangChain.
Let's put everything together by writing a basic Python script to integrate Claude with LangChain. Start by importing the necessary libraries and setting up your API connection. Next, define functions to handle language processing tasks, such as text generation or analysis. Use LangChain's built-in methods to format and pre-process your data before sending it to Claude. Once you receive the response, parse it and use it within your application. Test your script with various inputs to ensure it's robust and error-free. Finally, optimize your code for performance by minimizing API calls and handling exceptions efficiently. Even with a solid script, errors can occur during integration. Common issues include API authentication failures, incorrect request formatting, and data parsing errors. Use Python's logging module to capture and analyze errors in real time. Implement try-except blocks to handle exceptions gracefully and provide fallback solutions. Regularly test your integration with different data sets and scenarios to identify and resolve issues early. Debugging is an essential skill that helps ensure your integration is reliable and efficient, minimizing downtime and improving user experience.
Testing is a critical step in validating your Claude and LangChain integration. Start with unit tests to verify individual components, followed by integration tests to ensure seamless interaction between Claude and LangChain. Automate your tests using frameworks like PyTest to streamline the process. Evaluate the performance of your system by analyzing response times and accuracy. Testing should be an iterative process, continually refining and improving your integration based on feedback and results. A well-tested system is key to delivering a reliable and efficient application. Now that your integration is up and running, let's explore some real-world use cases. Claude and LangChain integration can revolutionize industries like customer service, healthcare, and finance. For instance, chatbots powered by this integration can provide personalized customer support, while healthcare applications can analyze patient data for better diagnostics. The potential for innovation is vast, with opportunities to enhance user experience through natural language interfaces. As AI technology evolves, the integration of Claude with LangChain will play a pivotal role in shaping the future of intelligent applications. Congratulations on completing the integration of Claude with LangChain in Python. You've taken a significant step towards empowering your AI projects with advanced language processing capabilities. Remember, the key to successful integration lies in understanding each component and testing thoroughly. We encourage you to explore further applications and share your experiences. Don't forget to comment with your thoughts, subscribe for more tutorials, and share this video to help others on their AI journey. Together, let's continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible with AI.